Hello everyone, welcome to our channel.
From the red line, a slant line towards the left till the second blue line, and one more slant line from red line towards the right till the second blue line, and then make one sleeping line on the first blue line. In simple language children, हमको एक रेड लाइन से सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन तक स्लांट लाइन बनानी है और ऐसे ही रेड लाइन के सेम डॉट से राइट साइड भी एक स्लांट लाइन बनानी है। जब हमारी दो स्लांट लाइन बन जाएंगी तो एक स्लीपिंग लाइन सेंटर में जोड़ते हुए हम बनाएंगे लेटर ए। To make small script A, we will make in only two blue lines. One half circle, standing line down, and a small tail on second blue line. One half circle, standing line down, and small tail. One standing line from red line to second blue line, and then make one half circle from the red line to first blue line, and one more half circle from first blue line to second blue line. In simple words children, एक खड़ी रेखा बनानी है और खड़ी रेखा के सीधे ओर दो आधे गोलाकार बनाते हुए हमें लेटर बी बनाना है। एक आधा गोला लाल रेखा से पहली नीली रेखा तक और दूसरा आधा गोला पहली नीली रेखा से दूसरी नीली रेखा तक, और यह कहलाएगा capital script letter B. To make small b in lines children, make one standing line from first red line to second blue line and one half circle between the two blue lines on the right side of the standing line, and this would be small script letter B. In this way, children, do practice and learn how to write letter B. Making a half circle, touching the second blue line and stop. In simple language, children, लाल रेखा से आधा गोला टच करते हुए बनाना है और दूसरी नीली रेखा तक बनाना है। यह कहलाएगा कैपिटल स्क्रिप्ट लेटर सी। स्मॉल c is written in two blue lines. Touching from first blue line to second blue line, a small half circle will make small script letter C. Let's write in lines now. To write letter D children, from red line to second blue line, make one standing line, and then from red line to second blue line, make one half circle. In simple language children, एक खड़ी रेखा बनानी है और खड़ी रेखा के सीधे तरफ एक आधा गोला बनाना है जो कि खड़ी रेखा के टॉप को और बॉटम को टच करेगा। To make small d children, make one standing line from red line to second blue line and one half circle from first blue line to second blue line.
and this would be said as small script letter D. In this way, children, do practice of making letter D. One standing line from red line to second blue line. Small sleeping line on the red line. One more small sleeping line on first blue line. And one more sleeping line on second blue line. This would be capital script letter E. Do keep in mind, children, while writing E, the middle of the sleeping line will be small. In simple language, one standing line, एक standing line बनानी है और 3 स्लीपिंग लाइंस बनानी है रेड लाइन पर, फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन पर और सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन पर. नाउ लेट्स लर्न हाउ टू राइट स्मॉल स्क्रिप्ट लेटर E in lines. To write small script E, we will write only between 2 blue lines. Between the 2 blue lines, we will make one small sleeping line, and then touching both the ends of the sleeping line, one half circle. This would be small script letter E. A standing line. On the red line, a small sleeping line, and on the first blue line, one more small sleeping line. This would be said as capital script letter F. In simple language, children, एक standing line बनानी है, 2 छोटी-छोटी sleeping line बनानी है, एक red line पे, एक first blue line पे, और ये बन जाएगा capital script letter F. Let's make small script F. To make small script F, take a turn from the red line, come down straight to the second blue line, and cut this line on first blue line. जैसे दादाजी की छड़ी होती है ना, बिल्कुल वैसे small standing line and then small sleeping line. This is small script F. From the red line to the second blue line, make one half circle. Go up till the first blue line. Make one small sleeping line on the first blue line and a standing line from first blue line to second blue line. In simple language, children, एक आधा गोला बनाना है लाल रेखा से दूसरी नीली रेखा तक, फिर थोड़ा ऊपर जाना है और पहली नीली रेखा पर एक छोटी सी बड़ी रेखा और पहली नीली रेखा से दूसरी नीली रेखा तक एक खड़ी रेखा और यह कहलाएगा कैपिटल स्क्रिप्ट लेटर G. To write small letter G, children, we will make one half circle between 2 blue lines and one standing line touching both the ends of the half circle. Standing line will go till second or bottom red line and it will take a small turn on the bottom red line, and this would be small script letter G. Do practice in the same way, children. From the red line, one standing line. After a small gap, one more standing line. And say hello on the first blue line. This would be said as capital letter H. Let's learn how to write small h in lines. From the red line to second blue line, a standing line. Small sleeping line on the first blue line. Turn down and small standing line till the second blue line. This is said as small script letter H. A small sleeping line on the red line. From the center of the sleeping line, a standing line till the second blue line, and a small sleeping line on second blue line. That would be letter I. In simple language children, एक स्लीपिंग लाइन रेड लाइन पर, स्लीपिंग लाइन के सेंटर से स्टैंडिंग लाइन सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन तक, और सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन पर छोटी सी स्लीपिंग लाइन. दिस इज कैपिटल स्क्रिप्ट लेटर आई. Let's learn how to write small script letter I. A small standing line between two blue lines and a dot between first blue line and red line. Small standing line and a dot. This is small I. From the red line, a standing line down till the second blue line and make a turn on the second blue line. And then on the top, on the red line, make a sleeping line. And this would be capital script letter J. In simple words children, एक खड़ी रेखा बनानी है और नीचे ला करके सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन पर उसको टर्न कर देना है, मोड़ देना है, और लाल रेखा पर एक स्लीपिंग लाइन बनानी है, बड़ी रेखा बनानी है जो स्टैंडिंग लाइन को टच करेगी, और यह कहलाएगा कैपिटल J. To write small j children, we will make from standing line from first blue line to down red line. We will turn on the bottom red line and we will put a dot between the red line and the first blue line. That would be set as small j. In this way children, do practice and learn how to write letter J. From red line to second blue line, one slant line from red line to first blue line, and then one more slant line from first blue line to second blue line, and this would be said as capital script letter K. In simple words children, एक खड़ी रेखा बनानी है और दो तिरछी रेखा, पहली लाल रेखा से पहली नीली रेखा तक, और फिर पहली नीली रेखा से दूसरी नीली रेखा तक, और यह कहलाएगा कैपिटल स्क्रिप्ट लेटर K. To make small script letter K children, make one standing line from red line to second blue line, and then make two slant lines between the two blue lines, making it in such a way that is in the center of the two blue lines, that the slant lines cut each other. In lines children, we don't go to second red line. From first red line to second blue line, one standing line, and then a small sleeping line on second blue line, and it will be a capital script letter L. In simple language children, एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनानी है और एक छोटी सी स्लीपिंग लाइन बनानी है. Let's write small script letter L. It is just a standing line from red line to second blue line. एक standing line बनाएंगे और small script L बन गया. From red line to second blue line, two standing lines parallel to each other, and in between the lines we will make letter V, and this would be said as capital script letter M. In simple words children, दो सीधी रेखा बनानी है और दोनों सीधी रेखा के बीच में लेटर V बनाना है तिरछी रेखा की मदद से, और यह कहलाएगा लेटर M. To write small script letter M, we will write in two blue lines, one small standing line, go up, take a turn, come down straight, again go up, take a turn, come down straight, and this would be small script letter M. In this way children, do practice of writing letter M. And now it's red line to second blue line, and then one slant line from red line to second blue line of the another standing line. This would be capital script letter N. In simple language children, दो standing line बनानी है और पहली standing line से दूसरी standing line तक तिरछी रेखा लेके जानी है और ये बन जाएगा capital script letter N. Now let's learn how to write small script letter N. That would be between two blue lines, a standing line, and then small turn, standing line down, small script letter N. छोटी सी standing line. Standing line को जोड़ते हुए एक छोटी सी sleeping सा turn लेते हुए standing line down. And this is small script letter N. And now it's
To write in lines children, start from the red line, making a C, touching the second blue line, go up, again on the red line, stop. This would be capital script letter O. In simple words children, हमें लाल रेखा और दूसरी नीली रेखा को जोड़ते हुए एक गोला बनाना है और वह कहलाएगा लेटर O. Whereas children, small script letter O is written in two blue lines. Touching the first blue line and second blue line, a complete circle is set as letter O. And now children, it is
to write in lines children, one standing line from red line to second blue line, and then one half circle from red line to first blue line, and this would be set as capital script letter P. In simple language children, एक खड़ी रेखा बनानी है और खड़ी रेखा के सीधे तरफ एक हाफ सर्कल बनाना है. वह हाफ सर्कल आप लाल रेखा से पहली नीली रेखा तक बनाएंगे और यह कहलाएगा कैपिटल स्क्रिप्ट लेटर P. To write small p children, we will make one standing line from first blue line to bottom red line, and on the right side of the standing line we will make one half circle from first blue line to second blue line, and this would be called as small script letter P. P. In this way, children, do practice and learn how to write letter P.
Q, children, we will start from the red line and we'll go till second blue line and then again towards red line to make a circle, and on the right bottom we will make small slant line. In simple words, children, एक गोला बनाना है लाल रेखा से दूसरी नीली रेखा को मिलाते हुए, और फिर बनानी एक छोटी सी तिरछी रेखा, और यह कहलाएगा लेटर Q. To make small q, children, we will make half circle between two blue lines and then one standing line till the red line, and after making the standing line from the red line, make small slant line, and this would be letter Q. Do practice, children. Now, one standing line from red line to second blue line, and one half circle from red line to first blue line, and a slant line from first blue line to second blue line, and this would be capital script letter R. In simple language, children, एक खड़ी रेखा बनानी है, खड़ी रेखा के सीधी ओर एक आधा गोला बनाना है और आधे गोले के अंत से एक तिरछी रेखा बनानी है, and this would be said as capital script letter R. Small r is written between two blue lines, small standing line, and touching the first blue line, a small turn, and that would be small script letter R. And now, children, from the red line to the first blue line, one half circle, and continuing the same half circle from first blue line to second blue line in the opposite direction, that would make a capital letter S. In simple words, children, लाल रेखा से पहली नीली रेखा तक आधा गोला, पहली नीली रेखा से दूसरी नीली रेखा तक उल्टी दिशा में एक आधा गोला, और यह कहलाएगा कैपिटल लेटर S. To know more, children, small s is written in two blue lines. On the red line, a small sleeping line, and sleeping line के center में will make one standing line till the second blue line. We'll make one sleeping line on the red line and standing line from red line to blue line. For small script T, we will write a standing line, small smile on the second blue line, and we will cut the standing line with a sleeping line on first blue line down from red line to second blue line, small smile on the second blue line, and then go up till the red line, and this is capital script letter U. In simple words, children, एक खड़ी रेखा बनानी है और
सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन नीली दूसरी नीली रेखा पर छोटी सी स्माइल बनाते हुए स्टैंडिंग लाइन ऊपर लेके जानी है, खड़ी रेखा ऊपर लेके जानी है रेड लाइन तक और यह कहलाएगा कैपिटल स्क्रिप्ट लेटर यू एंड स्मॉल स्क्रिप्ट लेटर यू इज रिटन इन 2 blue lines. From red line to second blue line and one more slant line from red line to second blue line and they both will meet at second blue line. This would be capital script letter V. In simple language children, एक slant line बनानी है रेड लाइन से सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन तक और फिर दूसरी जो स्लांट लाइन बनानी है वो राइट से चलना है और लेफ्ट को आना है और जो पहली स्लांट लाइन बनाई थी उसके बॉटम टिप को ज्वाइन कर देना है और यह कहलाएगा हमारा कैपिटल लेटर V. Let's write small script letter V now. It is written between 2 blue lines. Slant line from left to right and one more slant line from right to left. Join them at the bottom and this would be letter V. Now we will make 2 V's standing together and making the letter capital script letter W. We will not go to the bottom red line and while writing small script letter W we will take care that we will write that letter within 2 blue lines. Slant line from red line to second blue line from left top to right bottom and another slant line from right top to left bottom cutting in such a way the previous slant line that it cut in the center. It cuts on first blue line. In simple language children, हमें 2 तिरछी रेखा बनानी है और वो इस प्रकार से बनानी है कि वो रेड लाइन से स्टार्ट हो, ब्लू लाइन पर सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन पर एंड हो और दोनों तिरछी रेखा जो कट करेंगी एक दूसरे को वो फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन पर करेंगी. Let's learn how to write small script letter X. Small x is written between 2 blue lines, 2 slant lines crossing each other will make letter X. We need to keep in mind children that these slant lines always cut from the center and this would be set as small script letter X. From the red line, slant line till the second blue line and after making slant line make one more slant line from red line to first blue line. This would be capital script letter Y. In simple language children, एक तिरछी रेखा रेड लाइन से सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन तक और फिर एक और तिरछी रेखा रेड लाइन से हमारी पिछली तिरछी रेखा को टच करते हुए और यह कहलाएगा कैपिटल स्क्रिप्ट लेटर Y. To make small letter Y, we will make slant line from first blue line to bottom red line. And in the same way, we will make another slant line between 2 blue lines. And this would be said as small script letter Y. Let's learn how to write in lines now. make one sleeping line on the red line, and from the end of the sleeping line, slant line from red line to second blue line, and then make a small sleeping line on the second blue line. And this would be capital script letter Z. In simple language, children, एक पड़ी रेखा लाल रेखा पर बनानी है और पड़ी रेखा से जोड़ते हुए एक तिरछी रेखा लाल रेखा से सेकेंड नीली रेखा तक, दूसरी नीली रेखा तक बनानी है। दूसरी नीली रेखा पर फिर से एक छोटी सी स्लीपिंग लाइन पड़ी रेखा बनानी है और यह कहलाएगा लेटर Z. Now let's write small script letter Z. It is written between two blue lines. Small sleeping line on the first blue line, slant line down till the second blue line, and then small sleeping line on second blue line, and this would be small script letter Z. In this way, children, do practice and learn how to write capital and small script letter Z. I hope you all would like the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Good day everyone.